MLS tips: how to calculate a mortgage estimate on Go MLS. Tap on the Go MLS icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap Calculator. Confirm your underpayments, and using the 3 sliding bars, select an estimated price point. Select the possible down payment, and select the possible estimated interest rate. As you can see, the payment will be estimated on the top portion of your screen. Your payment calculated as $3,787.33 a month. Your payment calculated as $3,787.33 a month. The principal and interest, property taxes, house insurance, and mortgage estimates will also be available. To further calculate additional information, click Advanced on the bottom right of your screen. We can now estimate a loan term, property taxes, house insurance, association dues, and mortgage insurance. As we update the possible estimates, the mortgage calculator on the top portion of your screen will change. Once you're satisfied with the possible calculations, click Done when you're finished.